Hello friends, welcome to CardFino. Friends, today I'm going to talk about Radisson reward points and why you should not buy Radisson reward points at any cost, because redemption value is too less what you are going to actually pay for it. If you're getting those points, maybe some extra with some offer, fine, but do not purchase, do not spend money on Radisson reward points. It's not worth it. Let me show you. Just logged into Radisson reward site. I will try to purchase points. You can see 1000 points is equal to $5.98, and if I want to buy 40,000 points, it is showing me $236 US dollars. And if you convert these $236, their value in Indian rupees is 19,780 rupees. So for buying 40,000 points, you will have to pay around 20,000. I got 60% extra, but you will get only 40,000 points. And let's see how you can redeem these 40,000 points and what value it gives. Let me search Hotel Lonavala. Some weekday dates I am selecting, which should have a higher value, I believe. So you see the overall value is 29,000. If I try to redeem points, how much value I get? I currently have 80,000. You can see even with the 80,000 points, it's giving me just discount of 15,000. And if I reduce to 40,000, which the value you will be paying is $236, 20,000, is giving a discount of only 6,888 rupees, for which you actually paid 19,780 rupees. Guys, so you just have seen, right? So if you buy 40,000 points, which cost you $236, if you convert into Indian rupees, that is 19,800 rupees, that's around 20,000. And for those 40,000 points, you get a discount of around 6,888, around 7,000. So that means you have paid 20,000, but you are getting a discount of 7,000 only. That's a clear loss of 13,000. And even if you try multiple properties, I've tried multiple other properties also, nowhere I was getting around maximum 12,000, 14,000, that too on a very weak day, and the property which I might not even visit again. So that's the point. I don't think there's any logic behind buying those points. I recommend not to buy points. And if Radisson, if you're watching this video, please make sure I have written down my membership number as well. I think I am clearly in shock. It looks like a fraud to me. I'm giving a commitment, and giving the money and buying those points and giving a commitment to be in your hotel and use those points. You should give me a higher value, what I actually paid for, and you are giving me way less than what I actually paid for. And that's what I have. So whatever I have done it, I make sure that you don't do it. Do not purchase those Radisson points. So if you have any query, please write me down on the comments, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you from CardFino.